Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Abdul Karim. I'm just doing a simple testing in my small or mini studio, which is actually in my bedroom. So I have a small corner here for as my study space, and I have actually here my tripod and the phone. My smartphone Huawei Mate Pro 20 is mounted on the tripod, and then um, I have this microphone. It's a wired microphone. The brand is Boya, which I bought from I think Lazada for around 70 ringgit. But now you can buy from Lazada or Shopee for probably around 40 or 50 ringgit. And it has a cable about this one about 5 meters long, so I can actually um, sit or stand up to 5 meters from the phone, and yet the audio quality of the recording is very good, superb in fact. So you can hear from this video the quality of the audio input using this Boya microphone into my smartphone, and the quality is really very good. And maybe I will have another video where I speak not using the microphone but using the built-in audio or microphone in Huawei or in my smartphone. Well, this is not a product review. This is just actually showing those people or those educators who want to produce video content. So you might want to have your own setup at home so that you can produce content anytime you like using just a simple setup using the smartphone with a good camera and also with a good microphone. And we can actually produce content easily nowadays and make it available through various platforms such as YouTube. So that's all for a short testing of Boya microphone connected to my smartphone, and you can hear the quality of the audio. And because the quality of the video is not only the quality of the picture, it's the quality of the audio is also very important. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Hello again, and this time I'm doing the testing, recording using the video on my Huawei phone, Huawei Mate Pro 20, but this time using the built-in microphone on Huawei. In the other video, can actually listen to the quality of audio using the external microphone, which I connect to the phone. But this one, this particular recording, I'm using the built-in microphone, so maybe you can compare the quality of the audio. If you are interested to buy the microphone, I'll give the description in the video below. So thank you very much for watching.